closer and closer to the release of the GT500. They're already starting to be seen on the road without any camouflage. Actually, this past week there was a green one filmed and a blue one. Look awesome. They did a little pull. You can't really hear too much of the exhaust note. You can't even hear the supercharger, but it was just cool seeing these cars on the road without camouflage. Probably just doing some last minute tuning, making sure everything, the shift schedule and everything is right where it needs to be. So, I mean, I'm just very excited about the GT500, but there's still a few things that we just don't know. We don't know the price, we don't know the horsepower, we don't know the torque. All we know that it's going to be a sub 3 second car, 0 to 60. It's going to do the quarter mile in less than 11 seconds, which is really, really cool if it's actually able to get, I mean, maybe low 10s or something like that. This car has an absolute insane amount of anticipation. I mean, I can't wait to see what the official numbers are. I mean, I'm sure y'all are the same way. But as I was talking to my buddies today who works for Ford, the topic of price came up. Well, he's telling me that you can expect the base model GT500, not the carbon fiber package, to be somewhere in the neighborhood of $85,000 to $90,000, and with the carbon fiber package, anywhere in the neighborhood of $92,000 to about $100,000. But on top of that, there is going to be a $20,000 to $30,000 dealer markup, so the dealerships, they're definitely going to get you there, but that's just because of all the demand for the car. This is a very highly anticipated car, and hey, for good reason. I mean, yeah, that is a lot, but when you consider everything you get from the carbon fiber wheels, the wing, all the interior pieces they're going to be carbon fiber. I mean, this car is, in my opinion, I think it's worth it because the GT500, all the numbers that we're anticipating, that's really encroaching the supercar territory, which a $100,000 car that could possibly beat a $300,000, $400,000 car. I mean, that's really cool, and the styling of the GT500 is truly insane. I mean, in this video where you see the cars on the road, I mean, it is just a truly aggressive car, and I just can't wait to see more and more of them on the road. I really just can't wait for people to actually get their hands on the GT500s. And one thing, if anybody out there who, I mean, if you work for a Ford dealership as a salesperson, if you get an allocation for a GT500, DM me on Instagram. It's BubbaBlue843. I have a friend who's really wanting to get a GT500, and he's ready to get one if you can get an allocation for it. So if you can do that, I'll give you shout outs, I'll do a few videos on it, and I'll send people your way. So Instagram or DM me on Instagram. So you can expect in the first few months after the GT500 comes out for them to be on sale for about $120,000 to $130,000. I'm sure that some that are just all loaded out, I'm sure that it'll probably be more towards $135,000. I mean, who knows? All this is speculation. But my friend who works at Ford, he says that that is roughly the neighborhood it's going to be in. You know, MSRP anywhere from $85,000 to $95,000, just depending on what options you get. And yes, the dealer markup's insane, but I'm sure 6 months after it comes out, you'll be able to find some GT500s for the neighborhood of $80,000, $90,000 still. So hey, wait a few months and save a little bit of money. But let me know what y'all think of all the GT500 news that we know so far. And these colors they're coming out with, I'm a huge fan of. The Twister Orange is personally my favorite. I don't know, I'm just truly excited for this car. And I mean, from all the comments I've been getting on my videos, y'all are as well. So let me know what y'all think about all of the information down below in the comments. And some awesome news for you S550 people. If you like the styling of the GT500, there's a company right now, they're actually designing a GT500 inspired bumper, or bumper cover. So y'all will actually be able to resemble more of that GT500 style. I mean, some people, they don't like that kind of thing. I mean, me personally, I do, because hey, if it's your car, make it your own. As long as you don't throw the Cobra badges on there, you can do what you want. And honestly, I'm kind of jealous that the S197s don't have it. I mean, hey, who knows what it would look like on an S197, but hey, I'm sure that some company is going to try to engineer something for the S197, but for the S550, these are confirmed. And if you plan to get a GT500, let me know. And hey, if you're in the Houston area, I would love to do a video on one. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.